What's up, guys? It's been like, I don't know, 9 months since I posted a video. I've been busy working, and I just got my first home. It needed so much work, so I've been working on that, and with other stuff that I had to do. So I'm back to posting videos, and yeah, let's get to it. So yeah, my problem. I bought these light from Amazon a while ago, and yeah, one is out. So I got me some new ones from the cinemas, and I'm gonna show you guys. I bet you guys already seen them. I'll put them on, and I'll show you guys how they look after. That's how they look after. That's how they look nighttime.